Today I want to share with you how to make these two creams that are amazing for expression lines and the little wrinkles that start to form. It's super moisturizing. It's one of the best natural collagen boosters. Look at this texture. You don't realize how great this cream is. Try it. Above all, the first one I shared with you for the face and the second one I shared is spectacular. For example, if you have cracked heels or very dry feet. You'll love it and notice the change right away. Without further ado, I'll show you how it is. It's super affordable and easy to make. The properties of garlic are impressive. It's a very valuable ingredient in anti-aging care. Don't worry, none of the creams will smell like garlic. Garlic contains vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, B7, C, E, and minerals. It contains allicin, a compound that inhibits the process of wrinkle formation and helps reduce existing wrinkles. It has an effect on the skin, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antifungal. We put the garlic cloves in a small pot and add 1 cup of water, 200 milliliters. We cook for 7 to 10 minutes after it starts boiling. When they're tender, they're ready. Enjoy me. We're going to blend them together with the water. Garlic effectively reduces the appearance of wrinkles on the face, neck, and hands. We're going to strain the garlic mixture with a fine strainer. The properties and benefits of garlic have been used for hundreds of years. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Take the mixture to low heat. Stir until we get a creamy and smooth mixture. We'll make 2 creams by dividing it into 2 parts. To one of them, add a teaspoon of almond oil. and a teaspoon of aloe gel. You can buy this at pharmacies, or you can also use natural aloe gel. Optionally, you can add 3 drops of rose essential oil or whichever one you prefer. Mix all the ingredients very well. And place it in a glass container. Please comment if you already knew about this ancient cream and share your thoughts. I'll be watching your responses closely. This cream lasts up to 7 days in the refrigerator. You can apply it to the skin on your face, neck and hands. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then wash your skin. And you'll be able to see results starting from the first week. You'll feel your skin become softer and smoother right away. Now we'll prepare the second cream with a teaspoon of calendula oil and a teaspoon of honey. We mix all the ingredients thoroughly. We put it in a little jar. And we can store it in the fridge for 7 days. You can also apply this cream to your face, neck, hands, and even around your eyes. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then wash your skin with warm water. I truly hope you really like this cream. Can the first one we made be done with or without essential oils? If you don't add essential oils, you can also use it around the eye area. It's excellent. You're going to love it, and it's extremely affordable. Well, I'm saying goodbye now. Here, I put the cream on again. It's beautiful, it's wonderful. So I hope you like it a lot, that you share it, that you subscribe to the channel, and that you leave a like. If you liked the video, of course, leave your comments with your suggestions. Tell me what you thought of this video and please share it. That way you help the channel and it also grows. This type of recipes, natural, super affordable and excellent. A kiss, see you next time, bye!